The pentatonic scale is a really important scale, especially for us guitarists. You can play with it over almost anything, starting from a simple 3-chord blues song to the most sophisticated jazz tune, and of course, almost anything in between. Since the scale consists of only 5 notes, this creates a very open sound. And with 2 notes per string as a fingering, it's also quite easy to learn. So pay extra special attention to this pentatonic section. You will really be playing this scale a lot, and it's an important one for you to master. In the exercise section and the final workout video, we will cover various pentatonic positions and combine them with other playing techniques and concepts like string skipping and intervallic playing.